Sometimes you come across some really unusual things as you're out on the road exploring the country. One is this road that I'm on right now with my dogs. It runs parallel to Highway 1, and it's a road that hasn't been used, I'm assuming, in quite a while. And you can see why. It just, chunks of it have fallen off into the ocean. And you can see sections of it that look like they're about ready to fall off. Just big old cracks. And I think this road probably once was used for access to the campground. It's fairly wide, and there were barriers along the edge, most of which have collapsed or fallen away from the road itself. But it's kind of unusual. Most of it you can still walk on from the campground, and I think some people walk from that town over there, that little town, which I think is Westport or Rockport, I'm not sure now. A little town I went through heading north, but just very unusual. The highway, like I said, is just right over there. And then, Twinkie, come on, you stay away from there. Just from erosion and probably maybe seismic activity, there's just probably was not worth trying to maintain and build back up. So they have it closed off over here. They put some barriers to keep people from riding or driving, but you can still walk along it, and it's a nice walk. You can enjoy the ocean down below and the forest and trees up above. And it's easily accessible from the campground, which is a primitive campground, but very nice. It has a restroom, actually 2 restrooms, and has water. But it looks like only tonight maybe 2 or 3 people are staying here, which is nice. Don't have all the RVs and people driving through all night and people making a lot of noise. I met some folks that, some Canadians from Montreal, or actually no, from Quebec, I believe. Had a beer with them and sat and chat, and they're touring the country in their van. Cooper sometimes startles himself, or he runs into something. So just a wonderful way to end the day, just peaceful right here on the coast. I rode 15.5 miles, but it was pretty grueling climbs. So this is a nice, reward for such a day. Here are the barriers they put up. Although somebody could easily drive a vehicle through here, it looks like. But I don't think it would be very safe with the roadway deteriorating or eroding the way it is. But it's just an amazing, beautiful view, and it's going to be a wonderful sunset. Not sure what Cooper's up to. There's my campground, our campsite. the couple from Canada, and then other than that, it's pretty empty. It is empty. Good night.